Yak is back with another video, and today we are going to be tackling these Lexan windows. So just in case this is your guys' first time watching any of my videos, this is my 1991 Civic, and I relocated the radiator to the trunk here. And if you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. But today, this is part of the plan. These are some Lexan windows that I got from ASMLexan.com. And you know, with 600 subscribers, you don't get free stuff. So I did pay full price for these. And this will be a review slash setting it up for my rear mount radiator setup. The plan is to do some Lexan windows, and I also have these inlets here that I got off of Amazon. These are All-Star Performance brake duct teardrop 3-inch ducts that will go in the Lexan window, something like that. And then it's gonna feed air into the radiator. So first up, we're gonna unbox these things, pull them out, see what they look like, and then figure out a game plan for cutting some holes in them and getting these things in. Fragile. Looks pretty close. I mean, that's pretty much dead on to the factory glass. So I do think I'll need to remove this. Should be able to pop that off, that way I can get these on there. Yeah, they look good. This is the same material. I've seen this Tough Vac, I don't know how you pronounce it, polycarbonate sheet at Lowe's. And in this thickness, a big sheet of it is pretty expensive. So the price that I bought these for is definitely reasonable. And the fact that I didn't have to cut them out or do any of that is very nice. So initial impression, looking good so far. So let's get this window out, both windows out, and then I will revisit on cutting some holes in these and putting those ducts in there. right, you guys, I got the windows in and I'm pretty happy with the overall result. I'm glad that I ended up doing this black strip around the edge. I think it makes it look a lot cleaner. And I learned some stuff on this side, and that is to take the basically the protective film off first before you rivet it in, or else you get those parts where you can't get that protective film out of the rivets. So on the other side, I ended up taking the film off first, and then I riveted it on. So that was kind of a lesson learned, and hopefully you guys can learn from my mistake. You can kind of see it behind this even too. I should be able to get that out though. But overall, really clean install. And these are the ASM Lexan windows. And I didn't even file the edges or anything. I don't know what he does to cut these, but they are absolutely perfect already. When they got here, I didn't have to sand them or anything. They're ready to go. So fairly easy install. I went with the rivets just because it was easier. I was thinking about doing nut certs with the bolt, but rivets just saved me time. So, and it's not perfect. I got a little bit of waviness from the rivets, but it doesn't really bother me. So they're on there nice and secure. I riveted the shit out of this thing, so it shouldn't fly off. And next up is gonna be the aluminum sheet that goes right here. And I'm gonna run either some hose or some intercooler pipes to the sheet that covers the radiator, and hopefully we can funnel more air into the radiator. So that'll be in the next video. This has taken me several days already, so I just want to get out another video before too much time passes. So making a lot of progress, still got a lot to do, but getting there slowly but surely. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.